Hey there travelers, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing my top 8 travel gadgets that I never leave home without. These gadgets have made my travels so much easier and so much more enjoyable, and I can't wait to show you why. I'll include the Amazon affiliate links down below in the description, so if you do click on those links, just remember that I get a small cut of that from Amazon at no cost to you. Let's get started. First up, gadget number 1 is my travel backpack. This backpack is a game changer. Has a ton of pockets for organization, which I keep the same things in the same pockets at all times, so I always know where it is. It has a back strap that you can hook onto a carry-on handle, which I really enjoy. And then it also has a back lumbar pocket where I put all my sensitive documents so that they're close to my back. They're not out into the open where people can unzip things and grab things like passports or wallets. They're on my back where they're secure. Gadget number 2 is what most of you probably have, is a smartphone. I carry a Pixel phone, it doesn't really matter, but one of the main reasons I love carrying a smartphone wherever I go in a travel, if you have data, use the hotspot on your phone instead of using the local Wi-Fi either in an airport, in a coffee shop, in the hotel, because obviously that's not secure. So if you need to check your bank statements, credit card statements, whatever that is, anything that's sensitive, make sure you're using the hotspot on your phone. Obviously the other reasons is entertainment. This thing can carry everything that you would need, from music to podcasts to movies to shows. You can download or you can run them off of Wi-Fi, which is amazing, and the screens now are super crystal clear. And the last super bonus tip, since I do a lot of travel videos, not having to lug around an extra digital camera, the cameras on these are pretty amazing, so you can take tons of video and photo as long as obviously you have enough storage or you have cloud storage. That's all you have to carry. Gadget number 3. Noise canceling headphones. They are amazing. These are the Google Pixel Pros. The reason I have these is because they work really well with my phone. They do very great noise canceling. They have great volume as well. Because I don't listen to a lot of music, bass isn't a huge thing for me. I wouldn't say these have the greatest bass, but they work so well with the Pixel phones, which is why I chose these specifically. But the other thing I like about them with the noise canceling, they almost work as earplugs. So not only being great for entertainment, they link up with my Steam Deck as well very easily, and they have good sound, just may not be as bassy. But even when I'm not playing anything, they work as great earplugs. So I don't actually have to take them out and put other earplugs in. They can work as a noise canceling in my ears. Next up on the gadget list, which is number 4, is a portable power brick. So I chose this one specifically. It's a 65 watt because it's great for my phone. It's great for a laptop. It's great for my Steam Deck. It's great for, my headphones, all the things I need to charge. It's very powerful. It's very quick as well, so you should never run out of juice. It's a reasonable size too. It's small. It fits on the side of my backpack, which is where I keep it mostly because I can just plug into the side by unzipping. But no, portable power bank goes with me everywhere. Gadget number 5. A foldable wall charger, fast charger. Yeah, fast wall charger, whatever you want to call it. So this is a Ugreen 100 watt. It has USBs and actually 1 USB and 3 Type-Cs on the back. I carry the Ugreen Type-C charging cables because of this wall plug-in. So if you're going to carry a portable power brick, having a quick wall charger as well to juice that back up once you get wherever you're going, so that power brick can be ready for the next day, the next excursion, whatever you're doing. You can always have power with you. This is great to charge multiple devices very quickly from a normal 110 wall outlet. Gadget number 6. Reusable water bottle. So carrying water is really important for me, especially on travel, especially when we're flying, because I get really dehydrated very quickly. So having a reusable water bottle, I use the Hydro Flask. Obviously there's tons of companies out there. I don't like one versus the other. The main reason I went with the Hydro Flask is because the lid is so secure. I usually carry this inside of a backpack with sensitive things, so I don't want water coming out. So the most important thing for me is really a lid in this situation, and it keeping things reasonably cold or hot, but mostly cold for me. I don't really carry hot things very often. So lid security is the most important thing. I don't want it leaking in my backpack because I have obviously lots of electronics and things like that in my backpack at most times. Gadget number 7 is a GoPro, the head mount, the chest mount, and also the floating handle. The reason I carry all 3 of those attachments because it allows me to still be active. So with the chest mount, my hands are free. With the head mount, my hands are free. It depends on if I'm in a ride or something where my chest will not be high enough to get a good view. I can always go with the head mount. If I do have enough height advantage, I usually go with the chest mount because it's a little bit secure and a little bit more comfortable. This is a little top heavy. And then the floating handle is really to make sure if I'm taking it in the water or on a water excursion, I will never lose my GoPro. It'll float on top of the water and I can jump out and grab it, because it does happen from time to time. So I carry all three of these and these different mounts because of security and being able to get different shots. And sometimes your phone just isn't secure enough for certain action or excursions. So it's why I always carry a GoPro, because it's a bit more durable. I know the cell phone, I said, can carry or take care of most of your shots and videos, which it can technically, but when I'm getting into more crazy excursions or things that are a bit more action packed, I go with the head, chest mount, or the floating handle for the GoPro. Gadget number 8 may seem a little strange to some people, but it is cloud storage. Now, the reason I chose cloud storage is because you can carry external hard drives, that's fine, but with that, you kind of have to wait until you get back to a computer to load things up. What I like about cloud storage is you can set up a folder inside of your cloud storage and then share it with your family. So we just got back from a recent trip to Hawaii. If you want to check out all those videos, they are under the Hawaii playlist on my channel. But with that, my family, my daughter, her boyfriend, and my wife, we were able to load pictures and videos from our excursions from our own point of views into the share folder, so that I could use that footage when I started putting my review videos together for all the different things and the places that we went to. So it's great for not only keeping and collecting and archiving your photos and videos, but it's great to use as a share option for your family, so you're not the only one stuck making sure you get the perfect shots. It's pretty amazing to see the same excursion from multiple different viewpoints of the rest of your family. So cloud storage and sharing folders is pretty amazing. So just to recap all 8 travel gadgets we have, just so I make sure I don't miss them, we have the travel backpack, smartphone, noise canceling headphones, portable power brick, foldable fast charger, reusable water bottle, GoPro with all 3 mounts, which is chest, head, and floatable handle, and the cloud storage. So those are my 8 travel accessories that I go with and never leave home without. Let me know in the comments down below if you like any of these gadgets, or you have specific gadgets that you always travel with that maybe I've missed on my list. I hope some of these gadgets were helpful. I hope that they will help your next travel or vacation adventure. And I think that's all the gadgets I have, so I will see you on the next video.